Hello! Today we're going to look at the SetSale and Palmetto integration. We'll learn how to set up the integration. We'll learn what it looks like from the contractor's perspective. We'll see some documents that are sent to the homeowner, and we'll walk through the whole process from start to finish. Let's begin. The very first step is going to be adding the organization alias into the system. Under Settings and Integration, users can add the Palmetto organization alias here. Non-Palmetto users can also apply for that Palmetto application at the bottom of this card. Once the alias has been added into the system, contractors can go through and build a quote. They'll type in the customer's name. They'll perform a load calc if necessary. They'll choose the system template and they'll choose individual specs, and then they will generate quotes. This will create 4 options for the homeowner, differentiated by SEER and pieces of equipment. They'll modify the quote, and at the bottom, we see the Palmetto Comfort Plan is pre-populated. Contractors can choose an alternative plan if they want to, and they also can change the plans per tier if necessary. When they're ready to present, they'll click on the Present button. This will create a custom presentation for the homeowner that will walk the homeowner through an education piece. At the very end of the presentation, however, they will see all of their pricing. You notice it is defaulted to the Palmetto Comfort Plan because of the integration, and we see the Comfort Plan is on every single ticket. Users can go in and select a different Comfort Plan if that's what they choose. But in this case, we're just going to choose the Platinum option for $251 a month. Still in SetSale, the homeowner will sign this information, at which point we see a notification that says complete your credit application. The homeowner is now going to receive an email that will allow them to complete their credit application. All of the information from the quote is going to flow over into this application. Users will have to add a couple of pieces. They'll need to add their date of birth and their social security number. Everything else, though, should be pre-filled in because of the integration. They'll agree to the terms and conditions and submit it. Back inside of SetSale, under the activity log, we will add information like that Palmetto credit application was sent to customer. That will be loaded into that activity log. At this point, the homeowner will need to sign this DocuSign. They'll pull up this information. They'll do what I do, which is just sign where the document tells me to sign, and finish. Once they've signed this document back inside of SetSale, they're notified, and it says Palmetto financing contract has been signed by the customer. If we jump into their Palmetto account, we notice that that contract has been signed, that has been checked off. Once the homeowner has done everything that they need, that notice to proceed is given to the contractor, and they can begin the installation process. Financing approved, proceed with installation is what the activity log says. They can collect the Palmetto installation data. They'll choose the installation date. They'll attach the work order into the system. They'll either use the load calc from SetSale, or they will attach the load calc that they performed outside of SetSale. Then they'll add the nameplate for individual pieces of equipment that they are adding into the system. Any relevant photos can be uploaded as well. Finally, they'll add serial numbers. And then they'll see a final confirmation page where they can confirm all the information that they entered is correct. And they can submit the documentation. At this point, all the information flows back into Palmetto for processing. And that's it from beginning to end. The Palmetto Comfort Plans are automatically selected and pre-populate for contractors. They have to go through the process of collecting some of this information to send it back to Palmetto. But at this point, this plan has been submitted, all the documentation has been uploaded, and the contractor can start building more quotes and selling more plans.